Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Listed energy company Fesco has officially launched its line of liquefied petroleum gas products. Now, while speaking at the launch on Thursday, Managing Director of Fesco, Jeremy Barnes, says the company started testing FESGAS in the market since April. Fesco has so far spent $2 billion for its LPG rollout.
Well, actually, I've tripled our throughput capacity at our location by just testing the market. Jamaican people want FESGAS. We'll be launching into our commercial space. So next week, all you commercial customers, restaurants, we're coming to you. Right now, we're available in Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, and Mandeville, and parts of St. Mary through our distribution in Stony Hill. Part of that innovation that Fesco has always been about is these no-levy cylinders. This just means that, and we'll show videos today, they stack 100 of them filled with gas, lights the fire, it doesn't turn into 100 missiles. In the very short months that we've been in LPG, we're actually above 2.5%. And that's a soft launch, and we've already captured 2.5% market share.
Let's head to some company news. Our parent company, Radio Jamaica Limited, realized a dip in profit for its 2022-2023 financial year ended March. For the 12 months, the company, which operates as RJ Glynn Communications Group, made $197 million after tax. That's compared to $342 million made for the 2021-2022 year. RJ Glyn's profit was supported by a $444 million bargain gain coming out of its acquisition of 1834 Investments. The deal, which closed in November last year, brought about $1 billion in cash and assets into the group. Now, the company's revenues also dipped, coming in at $5.44 billion versus $5.71 billion last year. Looking at business segments, audiovisual, which includes TV, earned 10% less, while radio dipped by 3%. This was, however, offset by a $27 million or 1% improvement in earnings for the print and online division. Banks and cambios are selling the US dollar for an average $155.55. $116.76 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The average cost for the pound is $199.67, while it's costing $172.27 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 1,306 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 27 points. Among the 50 winners were Margaritaville Turks, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, T-Tech, Knutsford Express Services, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. The 37 losers include ISP Finance Services, Blue Power Group, Siboney Group, MFS Capital Partners, and JMMB Group 6% US dollar shares. Now 18 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.